Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome back to another exciting edition of Struggles for Survival, Lesson 10, with your host, me, Mrs. Inman. All right, the things you need to succeed today are your mentor text, a pencil, and of course, a highlighter. So grab those items as always, and let's get started. Today, our learning goals are: I can infer the themes within a text using text evidence. Or I can determine how themes are developed within a text by analyzing characters and plot events. Okay, let's talk about theme. How do we determine the theme? Well, a theme is a big idea and the author's attitude toward it. A theme can act as a moral or lesson for our real lives. A theme is usually not stated. It's not like, hey, this is the theme. You have to infer it from the details in the text. Your theme can usually be summarized in a phrase or a sentence. And then your theme can express how the speaker or narrator reflects on a topic. Now, as we've talked about in the past, there aren't just one theme in books. Sometimes there's more than one. Sometimes there's 3, 4. It depends upon the book or the text that you're reading. Some common themes which you've probably heard of are right here below. Money cannot buy happiness. Power corrupts those who have it. Be careful what you wish for. Hard work pays off. Those are just some themes that we've heard of before, or maybe some of you haven't heard of a couple of those. All right, well, let's break it down. So I continued to follow the trail looking for other signs. And then the water was so inviting that I stopped there to drink from it myself and wash my sweaty face. So these two show that Saxo has been searching for a long time. I mean, when you get sweaty, you know you've been out there for a while. He's continuing to follow that trail. My heart leaped. Someone had quickly twisted the end of that branch, making a knot in it. Well, that says that Saxo has a sign that his family's alive. Remember, his mom taught him all about how not to get lost. So the theme here could be love conquers all. He loves his family so much that he is, going after them, and he knows that they're out there. All right, it's your turn. I want you to read page 15, okay? Think about character and plot. That's what we talked about yesterday. And what happens as Saxo follows the trail? Knowing Saxo and his character, do you think he'll rescue his family? From what you know about him right now, I want you to answer that question as you read it. And then what theme can you infer from the text? So pause here and take the time to read page 15, answer the question, and figure out the theme. Go ahead. All right, welcome back. All right, so here we go on page 15. I did so and saw that she had knotted the tip of the branch into a perfect circle. It was a circle as neatly made as the one I now traced with my fingers 9 years later. Mother, I whispered, I will find you. So Saxo already knows that his mother has left a clue for him. Okay. A possible theme here is never give up on what or who you believe in. Exactly, never give up. He's searching and searching and searching, and then here he comes across this sign. So never give up on what or who you believe in. All right. Are you a 4, a 3, a 2, or a 1? I can infer the themes within a text using text evidence, and I can determine how themes are developed within a text by analyzing characters and plot events. Put your number up in the corner, and I look forward to seeing you all tomorrow.